Hello children and welcome back to another English class. In the lessons for this week, we're going to start working with new content. Okay, it's related to the last unit and that unit it's number 4. The name of this unit it's Did you like the movie? Remember Kelly asking that question to her friend. Okay, so today we're going to talk about simple past, but in the negative form. Yes, again, we're going to work on past simple or past action. So today we're going to focus on the negative part. Okay, so let's begin with the presentation. Here you have the photograph. Remember the cinema, you have Kelly and you have Zach, and Kelly is making a question. Did you like the movie? And Zach answered, I didn't like the ending. Okay, so today we're going to focus on this kind of a structure. I am going to use this highlighter to highlight the phrase. So we're going to focus on this part, okay, that is in yellow. We're going to focus on the negative part of the past simple tense. So for that, here you have full form and short form. What we're going to use in the full form, we're going to use the complete sentence, and in the short form, we're going to make the abbreviation of some words. So let's begin. For example, here you have I did not eat. And in the short form, it's like this, I didn't eat. Let's continue with the other subject. You did not eat. What is the short form? You didn't eat. Let's continue. He, she, and it did not eat. The short form, she didn't eat. We did not eat. Short form, we didn't eat. You did not eat. You didn't eat. And finally, they did not eat. They didn't eat. What is a very important thing here? I am not going to be able to write. I don't think so. Give me like a few seconds because I am going to I think that I am not going to write. If I do, no. So I am going to write in online classes to explain a little bit more this, but for example, I am going to give you another example. If I put the sentence, I worked yesterday, remember that work with ed, what is the negation for that? I didn't work yesterday. Okay? So here we have the rule. In English, we form the simple past negative with did not, the short form didn't, and the base form of the main verb. This is very, very important. I am going to use here the pen because what is the thing that you cannot do? For example, you cannot put like this. You cannot write. You cannot put the past simple of the word eat, that is ate, okay? You cannot do this because we are using didn't, okay? And didn't, it's going to help the verb. For that reason, the word doesn't change, okay, to a past simple. So you're not going to put ate. You're going to use the base form of the verb, okay? Here we have a watch out. Irregular verbs follow the same rule. Like for example, I don't know, eat is an irregular verb. See is an irregular verb. So we didn't see a musical, not we didn't saw a musical. Remember that the word didn't, it's going to help the verb. Here we have another examples. We didn't go to the movies and I didn't like the cake. Okay, I am going to explain in a very brief moment. This is in Spanish for those who don't understand a little bit what I am talking about in English. So, nosotros estamos trabajando desde ya varias unidades el pasado simple. Los hemos visto en grandes rasgos. En esta oportunidad nos vamos a focalizar en el área negativa, ¿ya? Para poder negar una oración. Si ustedes ya aprendieron a utilizar verbos regulares y verbos irregulares, que es en afirmación, ejemplo, si yo digo yo trabajé ayer, I worked yesterday, even though the pronunciation is I worked yesterday. ¿Cómo lo negamos? Utilizo la palabra didn't y el verbo va sin ld o sin transformarlo en la lista de verbos irregulares. Yo no puedo decir I didn't work it yesterday. Debo decir I didn't work. Tal cual como está en el ejemplo aquí. and watch out. Okay? Now, we're going to try to do some exercise, okay? We're going to try to like practice or apply the things that you are learning today or you are learning this week. What we're going to do here, complete the sentences with the simple past negative of the verb in parentheses. Let's pay attention to the example. We didn't go to the park. It's very easy peasy lemon squeezy because I'm going to change this. You always have to try to think that the first thing that you have to write is didn't, okay? With any subject from I to they, okay? So we immediately didn't, and then the word that you have in brackets, go. Remember that you cannot put I didn't went to the park. That is incorrect. So let's continue with number 1. What is the first word that you have to write immediately? Didn't. Very good. And the verb that you have in bracket is see, not saw. So, I didn't see Alicia at school today. Let's continue with number 2. Kathy in the race. What is the correct option? Kathy didn't run in the race. Number 3. Emma and Jenny. What is the correct option? Didn't study together. Excellent. Number 4. They, on time at the movie theater, arrived. They didn't arrive on time at the movie theater. Let's continue with number 5. Jessica, the blue dress, by. Remember, what is the first word? Didn't. Excellent. And do you need to use the word that you have in brackets or in parentheses? So, Jessica didn't buy the blue dress. Number 6, we didn't in the sea because it's what it was cold. What is the correct verb? Swim. We didn't swim in the sea because it was cold. Number 7, the picture, Rachel drew it. I didn't draw the picture that Rachel drew it. Let's continue with the second exercise. I think that this exercise is very simple. I am going to put we're going to pass to the next level, okay? So, write sentences with the simple past negative form of the verbs in the box. Here you don't have the verbs in parentheses, you have to find it in the box, so for that reason it's a little bit more complicated. Let's pay attention to the example. I immediately didn't, and you have to pay attention here, the movie I saw last night. Eat, enjoy, go, study, talk, or watch. In this opportunity, I didn't enjoy the movie I saw last night. Let's begin with number 1. I to school on Friday. I already know that I have to use I didn't, but now I need to use the verb that is perfect to the sentence. So I am going to make a line on the words that we already use. Okay, you have enjoyed. So what we're going to use here, let's pay attention to the sentence. I didn't go to school on Friday. Okay, very good. Let's continue with number 2. I Russian in elementary school. I think that is I didn't, like English. So I didn't study Russian in elementary school. We already have a study. Then number 3, I TV this morning. TV is your keyword. So for that, I didn't watch TV this morning. I didn't watch TV this morning. Number 4, my friend on the phone yesterday. Keyword, phone. So for that, we're going to use talk. I didn't talk to my friend on the phone yesterday. And the most difficult one, I didn't eat pizza last night. Okay, excellent work. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you understand everything. Remember that in online classes you can ask all your questions, all your doubts, and if you cannot do it in online classes, write me an email. I am going to answer it. And have a great day, a beautiful week, and see you next class, that is next week. So take care. Bye bye, kids.